How do you know that you have high serum insulin levels? There must be some kind of a signs or symptoms. If you have high serum insulin levels, then you'll be having maybe a belly fat, or you can have PCOS or fatty liver. Then if you go for having your blood test, you'll be having high triglycerides levels. You will be feeling that your energy levels are a little bit low. Secondly, you will have frequent hunger pangs, and you want to have some kind of things which have sweet in them. Secondly, one more thing which is very important for those people who have serum insulin levels which are very high, you will be having high uric acid levels, high blood pressure, and difficulty in losing belly fat. And if you have these kind of signs and symptoms, you should get your levels checked up for serum insulin levels. Thank you.